Here we are in Survivor Man. Sunday, August 14th, 2011. We've made it to our campsite here, just in the nick of time. Got my tent up. Got my trusty light in the event that we lose electricity. I got everything. I got my chair and all my gear in here. Everything's nice and safe. The only thing I forgot was water. My water bottle on my bike. I can't get to my bike without going outside. And I'm not going to do that because it's raining like hell. So, luckily for me, even though this is a fully supported trip, I brought all my cooking gear, camping gear with me, and it's come in pretty handy. There's my pot, collecting water. And although, it might be a little nasty, it's still okay when you heat it up, boil it in a little coffee bag. Nice. Yeah. That's what being prepared is all about. And I got, you see, Folgers. Got my Swiftness. I might even add that with the Folgers, make kind of a latte, you know? Because we're getting a latte rain. And, you know, want more? We got more. We got some food in that white bag over the triangle there. Basically some trail mix, but what the hell? Better than nothing, right? Anyways, it is really raining like hell out there. So, anyways, and I hear a bird somewhere in here. It's like totally pissed. Actually sounds like a fucking duck. But who knows? Here I am charging my little GPS unit, which does not need to be on, by the way. Now, my phone here, I'll need to charge that later. I've got some batteries for that. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that's a freaking duck. Quack! Yeah, there's a duck out there. Amazing.